So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another stream. So in this session, we're going to see gold, BTC, US oil, US tech, US 30. Okay. And if you want me to analyze any particular stocks, you can write in the chat box. We'll analyze the same. And if you want me to analyze any other indexes also, you can write down. Okay. So this was yesterday's trade where our TP hit and market started reversing from the 3440 because there was an order block in for our chat, okay, which I had explained in many of my streams. What is order block and how to mark the order blocks and where to entry, where to keep our stop losses. And if you had find this order block and if you have shorted the gold, definitely it was an good selling and good returns. Yeah, almost 90 or 85 points. This is huge, okay. If you want me to analyze any particular stocks, so in 1 hour chart, almost gold has came near 3350. So here we have a support zone. We can see a reversal from this level. And if you keep SL below this candles low, and you can expect 1 is to 3 or 4. And if we check the BTC, BTC is consolidation. BTC is consolidating in 15 minutes chart. There is no proper direction. So in this kind of market, we should not enter. We should better to avoid, because your SL may hit on any side. So we should focus on gold and other assets. Like US oil, US tech, US 30. There is a gap to be filled up in US oil. Okay. All right. So after this big fall in US oil, the market went into consolidation phase. Now the market has not decided its proper way of moving. It is in consolidation phase yet. It has to break either this 64 support or 69 or this 70 level. Okay. In US oil, it has to break these any of the levels, because this is a consolidation zone. Okay. Once you trade in between this, there is a high chance of hitting the sell. So you have to plan only on the breakout of 69 or breakdown of 64. Then only we can capture a good move in US oil. And gold has to move from this support or order block. Okay, in US tech, if you observe, this low has been broken, but it has to move 50% of this previous momentum. So if I mark from this high to this low, okay, the market must fall from this 0.56 level. Okay. So that it will make a new low. You have to enter only when the market reaches to this level. Okay. It has to come till 0.5 level. Then it will start fall. In US 30 also we can plan a long position. with this small asset. So gold started on buying side. If you can look at the screen, gold is pumping. Okay, we will enter in US tech once we see a bearish candle. Okay, let this make a bearish candle. Let this candle closes. Let this candle completes, and if a 5-minute candle closes in bearish, then we'll plan this. So this is our US 30 trade. Once our half target is done, we'll trial our result to cost. Once we reach 3364, okay, somewhere here. If you look at this, TP is 50%. Okay, almost this red candles opening or high above. Once the market breaks this level, we will trial our result to cost and let the market moves to the TP. No in between exit. We have to take either SL or TP. So almost half target achieved in gold. So if you look at this candle spike, okay, almost it broke our 50% target. Now you can trail your SL to cost, so that we are not going to give any losses. We will be taking only trailing SL at our cost, okay, and let the market hit our TP. Don't exit in between. You have to take either cost to cost or complete target. Now you can trail your SL to cost, okay. So now our SL must be at our buying price, okay, so that if market suddenly reverse from this level also, we will not taking any stop loss. We will be exiting with our buying price, okay. We will exit with cost to cost. So this was our entry exactly at this pin point, and if you look at the target, almost 50% achieved. Okay, it's 50%, more than 50%. Whenever your TP achieves more than 50% of your TP, then you should trial your SL to cost, so that if market reverse also, you will not be regretting that, okay, I would have booked the profit, it was showing some number of profits, okay. Let us see what our trade is doing in US 30. US 30, the trade is at cost to cost. Oh, it was our entry. Okay, no, there was no momentum at all. Seven points more to hit our TP. Okay, nice. Just 6 point away from the target. Okay. Our target is at 3372, and almost we have achieved our target, near just 5 points left. And once this 5 point achieves, we will exit from the trade. Okay, now you can trail to this candle's low, so that if market reverse also, will take our 50% of the target for sure. We will not exit cost to cost, we will exit with some profit. We will exit at least 50% of our profit, okay. We will not know, because after 80% of our target reached, we cannot how do you say that, go home with no profit, okay. We should at least take 50% of the profit. So if market reverse from this level also, at least you should capture this 50% move, okay. This is how you need to trial on your trades. So from cost to cost, you should trial your SL to 3364. Okay, if market suddenly reverses from this level, at least we will capture this 50% of the target. At least something you should make profit instead of giving the market cost to cost. If you learn to trail this kind of trades, then it will be easy to hold the profits and trail the profits. And when market is not in your favor, just give the small SL and leave. Okay, when you should trail only when the market is moving on your direction. Okay, just 4 points away from our target. 3368. 3368. Okay, just 4 points away from our target. Okay, 3369. 3 points, and we will exit from the trade. Okay, now at least you can trail yourself again to this candle's low. Okay, because for just 2-3 points you will lose the maximum of profits. Okay, that's why you should trail when the target is near. Okay, 3370, just 2 points, 2 points away from the target. $71, 1 point away from the target. Yes, so almost our target is done. 3372. What a beautiful trade it was. Beautiful trade. See, exactly our target was hit. It was a beautiful trade, okay? Look at our entry. This was the perfect entry. And almost it's 1:4. See, exactly after our target was hit, the market started reversing. What a trade. It was a beautiful trade. Perfect entry, perfect exit with proper stop loss, with proper risk management. Okay, US 30 also started moving in our direction. Okay, in US 30 also almost our target 50% achieved. Now we can tell ourselves to cost to cost. Okay, now see whenever your TP and TP or SL hits, you should exit and you should not look at the chart again. Whether the market goes again upside, reverse, or it may go anywhere. You should exit from the trade. Then don't just look up. So we have exited our trade exactly at our TP. Now we are not going to see whether it breaks this TP, go upside or down, reverse. Doesn't it matter? It doesn't matter. Okay. SL, TP. That's it. Close. Now we have trailed our SL from what was that SL? Okay, 44619. So from our SL we have trailed to cost. Okay, if market reverses from this level also, we should not give any losses. So we should exit our at our cost price. Okay, once this breaks, then we will, once this red candle high breaks, then we will trail our SL to 50% of the target. Okay, now you can trail yourself from cost to cost to 50% of the target, because this previous red candle's high has broken. Okay, Okay, now almost our US30 also the target near. Look at the gold. Okay, almost reversed from OTP, and US30 near to our target. Okay, as you can see, US30 target also achieved. So in this today's session, we have taken the two trades. One is gold, another is US30. Both target achieved easily. Okay, with 1:3 and 1:4. So overall, it is a good day. And so we have taken these two trades. It was beautiful trades. Almost in gold also TP hit, and in US30 also our TP hit. So I hope you enjoyed this stream, and that's it for today. Only today, two trades, two quality trades we have taken today, and that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the stream. If you did, make sure to subscribe and share with your friends who are interested to learn. And we'll see tomorrow with a fresh stream. Thank you so much for watching.